Welcome back. Those in the area who have needed an aging water heater or dripping faucet repaired have called Service Professor and had it fixed in a snap.
You know the commercial.
Yes,
yeah,
right.
You've seen it, right? Have you heard about Service Professor's SP Cares, though? It's a new charity program they've recently launched to pay it forward and give back. Brad joins us this morning with more. Good morning, Brad. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well.
We're great. Thanks so much.
Tell us a little bit about SP Cares, how this all started.
Yeah, so SP Cares was an initiative to really give back to a great community that we've had the opportunity to serve, and we've always done different charitable things, and we just want to make it a bit more formal. So we organized SP Cares and hit the ground running with it the first of this year.
So what upcoming events are there?
Well, we just got done with a stint in April for Kids Food Basket. We donated nearly $3,000 to them in the month of April, and right now on our Facebook page, we are allowing the community to nominate their favorite charity for us to continue to donate to in upcoming months. Currently, kind of driven from our staff, we're going to be putting together a 3-on-3 basketball charitable event, partnering with Gus Macker, and hopefully having them be part of this. I know Gus himself fairly well from my old sports days, so just a lot of cool things in the future here for us and for the community.
And it's good that you're doing what you're doing, but also you're hiring a lot of people too, from what I understand. I mean, we've heard a lot about a shortage of employees in the trades industry, but doesn't seem to be happening with you guys. What are you doing differently, and how are you getting those new employees?
Well, to be fair, Chris, we could always use more, no doubt about it. The struggle is certainly real, but I think we haven't had it hit us as hard solely because of our focus on culture. Our culture at SP is just second to none. I think we do a great job of being a fist bump and high five in atmosphere. We're dog friendly. We have an in-house gym. We just believe in all those things that kind of stand out of the crowd and be a little bit different from an employee standpoint. So that's really helped us along the way tremendously.
I think those types of jobs sometimes get a bad rap, trade jobs. And your mission, your company has a mission statement to change the perception of trade jobs. Tell us about what that means.
Yeah, our work right here, our passion statement is to change the perception of the trades, which really is a twofold statement. It means, internally, for sure, we want to change what we believe in ourselves and what it means to be a electrician or plumber, HVAC technician, duct cleaner, but also to change the perception of what our customers and the community expects out of hiring such a business or organization. I'm not sure the last time somebody woke up with a plumbing problem or their toilet won't flush and said, "Well, I gotta hire a plumber today. It's going to be a great day." I think that nobody ever, right? So we tried changing that. We want it to be a great customer service driven experience for everyone.
All right. So what's next for you guys and for Service Professor Cares too? Finally today.
Yeah. So we're in Kalamazoo now, and I think we're really excited to bring SP Cares to Kalamazoo and really do great things for that community as well. Just a lot of great things on the horizon, growth and doing more blood drives like you see there. We do a blood drive about every quarter to give back to the community, especially during COVID. Just keep giving back to a great community because we know that they're responsible for a lot of our growth, which has been capping out at nearly 60% annually for the last 5 years. So
absolutely,
we want to give back and continue to do so.
Many thousands of satisfied customers out there, Brad. Thank you so much for the time this morning, and really kudos to you and me, Leanne, for not asking Brad to snap his fingers on that interview. I think we did a good job. I mean, it's extremely difficult not to ask him to do that.
I know. It's a great jingle.
Thanks for the time, Brad. We appreciate it. SurfaceProfessor.com, the website to go to, or you can just phone 871-1900. We'll be right back.